Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of ESS BIZTOOLS. Welcome to Accountants Minute. Innovation is important. At the Australian Technology Showcase for Accountants, ATSA, in Melbourne last week, many new types of innovation for accountants were presented by the various presenters and businesses that displayed their goods and services to the accountants who attended. CCH iFirm and CCH IQ confirmed the early stage innovation company legislation as a significant opportunity for accountants to illustrate your innovation credentials to small medium enterprises. Now is the time to show that you are interested in innovation by becoming a major contributor to identifying companies that could be assessed as being an early stage innovation company. Why? Well, this is the first legislation that encourages business people to invest in young companies who might have a great product in the process that they are developing. In the first instance, why don't you undertake a survey of your own clients at present? Many accountants have been saying to me, "Oh, we wouldn't have anyone that does this." Well, do you know? Do you really know? Because if you really know, you will be able to answer the following key statistics about your clients. How many companies have your firm got that are under 3 years old? How many companies undertaken research and development activities in 2015-16? How many companies have you got in your firm that their expenditure in 2015-16 was under $1 million? Have you had any companies that have participated in the Accelerating Commercialisation Grant Program? Have you had any companies that were a participant in an accelerator program? How many companies have you got that have got income under $200,000, excluding any income received from an Accelerating Commercialisation Grant? How many companies have got a registered patent or a registered plant design? How many companies have got an innovation patent or a registered design or a plant breeder's right? How many companies have raised $50,000 from arm's length investors in 2015-16? Or have you got any company who has developed a new product, service, process, marketing or organisational method? And the reason I've gone through these items in some detail is that these are the key attributes to ensuring that a company is eligible for the classification of early stage innovation company. And once they've achieved that, those companies are eligible to obtain investment from investors who will then obtain a special income tax benefit, a 20% tax offset, and a potential 9-year capital gains tax exemption category. Very favourable for investors. Why don't you analyse your clients along these items and just find out who you have got that you might not be quite aware of. And then you could present a seminar to invite those clients plus others in your organisation. Never assume that your clients are not undertaking innovation. Thankfully, thousands of Australian businesses and companies are undertaking innovation. Unfortunately, in my experience, many accountants do not know that this is happening in the marketplace. This is an opportunity for you to find out, to show that you are proactive in trying to help the next generation of innovation in Australia. Then you could put out a media release and a social media commentary to promote that you are going to offer a seminar to the wider group of people who at this stage are probably not using accountancy services because they are conserving every dollar that they've got to put into their innovation research. But let them know that you are proactive in this space and you might unearth a fantastic new client. So many of these people at present will not be paying much money, could be from $0 to $3,000 in accounting fees. But if they are successful in being deemed to be an early stage innovation company, from a fee earning perspective, the fees could be in the vicinity of $25,000 to $40,000 to go through the whole investment ready process. And then there's the opportunity to offer those companies a wide range of virtual chief financial officer services into the future. This is a tremendous opportunity for accountants. Please don't miss it by being conservative in your views and saying none of our clients would be doing that. I really challenge you to go through the list that I've outlined to you today and identify the clients within your current client base that might have achieved some of those attributes. ESS BizTools has developed a full product package to assist accountants and business advisors to identify companies that might be eligible to be deemed to be an early stage innovation company, and then to assist them through the whole process to produce a certificate and all of the supporting evidence that investors will need before they will invest funds in these types of companies. This is new, exciting stuff, and it's an opportunity for you and your accounting team to be right at the coalface of the innovation revolution that is occurring in Australia. Have a great day. Goodbye.